Hey, hi people. I just put up this short video to explain how the Andreani Misano Evo fork upgrade is installed on a F800gs 2013 model. What you find in the internet is honestly pretty bad. There is no really correct instructions. The instructions you get in the user manual is completely nonsense. And so this is basically a video that shows pretty quickly how to do that. So here's one idea that I wanted to show you that is completely nonsense. The oil level 90 millimeters is wrong. So Andreani specifies 110. Just to let you know. So this manual here that comes with the 800gs installation is completely nonsense. Okay, the first thing that goes in is the cartridge. And then you bolt down the cartridge with a 10 mil. And you got to fill up the assembly with oil. And what you got to do is you got to use an air gap of 110 millimeters. That is actually on Andreani's website. Then make sure you put the piston up and down for quite a while and make sure that all the air is coming out. I did this for about 10 times. And then make sure that you set the air gap correctly. So I set the air gap to 110 millimeters. When you're done, the next step is to put in the springs. So with the Andreani, the springs come independently with the cartridge. You have to order them independently, okay? Okay, and then you put in the spacer. Make sure that the spacer is going with the thicker end, the black piece, downwards. So after you inserted the spacer, make sure that the black, kind of the black cap at the top, is basically held in place with a 17 mil wrench, and then you can put the cap on top. So then you use a 26 millimeter wrench or a socket set and just tighten everything. When you're done tightening the top cap, make sure that this spacer here is really flush with the surface of the top cap, right? Or you have problems with your preload. So please understand that this setup is for the 2013 or younger F800gs. And the 2012 and earlier models, they need a different setup. So I'm using a K-Tech fork upgrade for my 2012 or older models. And with those, the setup is similar to what you know from the initial idea with BMW, that the fork spring is at the top. So again, with a WP 2013 F800gs, the spring is at the bottom and not at the top. This is a really confusing description with Andreani. Whatever you get as a manual submitted to you is wrong. It's really just wrong. Anyway, so this setup is also the same up with when you compare it to the KTM 390, I believe. So I hope that helped a little bit. Sorry for my shitty videos, but I was so tired of finding so many confusing informations that I put this video together.